Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to create this type of flying viral video effect in TikTok without any stress. There are a lot of templates right here. This is another template right here, and then this is another one right here, and this is another one right here, and then there are a lot much as far as this is concerned. You can scroll down right there. There are more effects. This is another template right here. How can you turn your photo to something like this or your video to something like this in your TikTok app? Let me show you how. First thing first, you need to make sure you have CapCut app successfully downloaded in your phone, and at the same time you have your TikTok app. So what you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on try this template right here, and it's going to redirect and take you right here so you can see the how it's going to look like. Go ahead and click on use this template in CapCut. So right here, there are free templates, there are pro and daily life templates are here. So if you have a pro version of CapCut, you can switch to pro version. Then you have all pro template right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all pro template. However, we can switch to free template right here. I'm going to select this particular template right here. And this is giving us another style as the case may be. Go ahead and click on use templates. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and select the image that you want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and simply select this and select this, and I'll select this. I'll click on next, upload the image, just like so. Then you can see the sliding and slide out just like so. Then we can go ahead and add as many as possible image. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on here to add sound. Then we can choose sound from TikTok or from our internal storage. We can click on extract audio. We can easily click on add sound right here. And then we have different sound from the bottom right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see sound right here. However, you can also upload sound from your folder. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use this sound right here. Click on add sound, just like so. Then you have it right here. You can use any of the template right here, and then you are good to go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on export. Then we want to make sure we click on here to choose the resolution, so we can export 2K or 4K as the case may be. And this is going to give us 37 MB. I'm going to put it in 1080 pixels. Click on done. And the next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and click on export without TikTok watermark. And we are done. So we can easily play the video. Right here, we have the video in our TikTok right here, just like so. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on next. Then we can easily write in our caption right here, and then we can also edit the cover. Then we can choose another cover right here, hit on save, just like so. So we can add our caption and our hashtag and hit on post right here, and the video will be posted to our TikTok account. It's that simple. Go ahead and click on post video. Now we have the video being played right here, just like so. You can see, and you will have the video in your TikTok profile. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to use TikTok app like this, consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.